Det var til et vælgermøde.
Denmark sent private messages to US President-elect Donald Trump's team expressing willingness to discuss boosting security in Greenland. This can also be called an attempt to increase the US military presence there without claiming the island. Axios said that the Danish government wanted to convince Trump that his security concerns could be addressed without claiming Greenland. A spokesperson for the Trump transition team did not respond to a request for comment on the Axios report. Danish Prime Minister Mette Frederiksen said earlier this week that she had asked for a meeting with Trump, but did not expect it to happen before his inauguration. Greenland Prime Minister Mute Eg too said he was ready to speak with Trump. The two also emphasized the sovereignty and security of the island.
Og derfor er den også i henhold til Monroe-doktrinen også et sted, som amerikanerne ser som et af deres del af verden. En form for et baghave. En form for der, hvor deres forsvar for hele den kontinent skal være. Og derfor har interessen jo altid været der. Og derfor kommer vi også til at samarbejde med den i fremtiden. Men det skal også ske på de præmisser.
Grønland er grønlændernes, ingen andres. Muti, du har været meget klar i dine ord. Det er Grønland, der selv skal definere.
Trump, who takes office on January 20, has described US control of Greenland, a semi-autonomous Danish territory, as an absolute necessity. He did not dismiss the potential use of military or economic means, including tariffs against Denmark. Bureau Report, NewsX.